In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons to get the Osee T5 field monitor. So sit back and prepare to get tased. Mabuhay and what is up, tasters? Welcome to Taste or the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new to this channel and you're kind of interested in these kind of contents, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell there so to get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And you guys are awesome. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok for more videos, updates, and tips. Now, the Osee T5 monitor has been my companion ever since Osee Tech sent me this, and it has been more than a year now, and this has greatly helped me improve not only on my talking head videos like this, but also on the videos that I created for this channel and outside projects. Now, if you haven't seen my full review of this, you can check it out in the card up there, and let's get down to business. Number 5 on the list is the price range. The Osee T5 is priced at $125 on Amazon. This is one of the most affordable camera field monitors you can get in the market as of now. Not only that, with this price, you'll get a lot of very useful features that I will talk about further in this video. And because of that reason, most of the time you will find that this monitor is sold out on any stores. So it's a guarantee that this performs well with a decent price. Number 4 on the list is the weight and form factor. The monitor itself weighs only 164 grams. It's pretty lightweight if you ask me compared to its competitors that is over 200 grams. For the form factor, this is almost the same size as a iPhone 11 Pro. Very compact. And those are the 2 reasons why this is a perfect companion for travel vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators who's always on the go, because it doesn't eat too much space on your camera bag or whatever bag you have. And the weight? It feels like it's barely there, to be honest. So whether you use this as a handheld or on a gimbal, the weight won't bother you that much. Third on the list is the joystick. In the world of touchscreen based and button rocker operated monitors, this is where that Osee T5's unique joystick functionality stands out, and that is my own opinion. Yes, there's a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get used to it, everything will go smoothly with just one joystick. I already said 3 joysticks already. Now it's the 4th time. It can take you to the monitor settings, toggle awesome monitoring features, change the scenes, and a lot more. Plus, if you have a sweaty hands just like me, you don't have to worry about getting the monitor screen wet or oily. A minor thing that creates a big impact if you ask me, and that is the beauty of the joystick. For the 5th time, guys. Now here's another reason that I really think is an awesome touch for its price point. Yes, the Osee T5 monitor can be powered using a Sony NP-F battery just like its competitors. However, it can also be powered using a Canon LPS6 battery or via micro USB that can be connected on a V-mount battery, a power bank, or even on your laptop or computer's USB slot. And that's what I've been using most of the time. And wait, there is more. It also has a DC output near the HDMI port where you can power your camera from the Osee T5 monitor's battery. So much power options to choose from for a tiny little device, and that is really an awesome feature. And of course, we are down to the last and the most important aspect of a field monitor: the firmware features of the Osee T5 monitor provides. Now, I'm not going to be detailed about it because I've already discussed it on my previous video. You can check it out on the card up there. While this also has most of the features that the other field monitor has, such as waveform, vector scope, histogram, peaking, and 3D LUT, and actually so much more, the most interesting feature that I really like about this monitor is what we call scenes, in which you can customize it based on your preference and needs. Now I can switch between scenes just by pressing the joystick left and right. I'll switch to scene 1 to check if I'm in focus, etc. For scene 2 to check if my exposure is on spot, and if I want a clear view, I'll switch to the scene 3. Pretty cool, right? Now the Osee T5 film monitor isn't perfect. Well, there is no perfect tech, to be honest. But this is a great budget option that has decent and unique features compared to all of its competitors, and I've learned a lot using this gear and has greatly improved my craft on making films and vlogs and professional gigs that I've already did in the past. I will leave the links on the description below on where you can get Osee Tech products. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, Tasers, this is Taste, or the Art of Sir Eden, and together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video, guys. Case Reviews out.